Malolele, yes, Tenisia. Tenisia with the Tongan language, Polybollylatin. And today is going to be the lesson 1.4, meaning really we're still in the pronunciation. Pronunciation of the Tongan alphabet, which is really, as you will see, it's not all that easy, you know. Before we learn all the other languages and everything, we're going to really be looking at how this kind of Polynesian language is making itself expressed in words and pronunciation. And I'm very lucky to have a very famous or known person in this field. He's a Kiwi man, and he's been around the world teaching English in Spanish-speaking countries, and he can speak for himself with all the things that he can do. His name is Kevin O'Sullivan.
Hello.
From Christchurch. And Kevin is going to be my very first experimental pupil online on YouTube, and with the challenge of all the Tongan language alphabet. Kevin, you've already seen my three little videos about A Faha. Did you get that? What can you say about that? What did you find there new?
Well, there's less letters in the alphabet. Tongan alphabet.
Right.
And the pronunciation is very different.
Yeah.
Well, once you learn it, then it becomes easier.
Absolutely. And you saw that we, like the last few lines, as you say, there's no B, C. We say A. You saw that there. There's no E, Fa, Ha,
I, Ka, L,
La,
Ma,
Na, Nga, O, Ba, Sa, Da, U, Va. As you see, because of Kevin just saw this all today, and I'm going to go right through straight away and ask him how to pronounce some words. And there are things that we are stuck in before we even go to that fun thing. And I know that you know Spanish. You know the vowel system. Can you please, Kevin, say the vowel system, the vowels in Spanish?
Yeah. A.
Yeah.
E.
Yeah.
I. O. U.
That is the Spanish. If you speak Spanish, you will also say that. And I can say this as Japanese too. Japanese would say A, I, E, O, U. Same pronunciation. But in Tongan, this is the difference. In Tongan language, it's A, E, I, O, U. Actually, if you see this in Tongan, it is not A, E, I, O, U. It will be A, E, I, O, U. Unless you put the faka-Tonga, the little sign A, E, I, O, U. And another thing we didn't do, remember I said that there would be a macron, that sign. If it's all on top of the A, E, I, O, U, all these vowels will be long. So it will be sounding like A, E, I, O, U. And did you notice all the consonants? The consonants are not the vowels, ne? Consonants, consonanite, the Tongans will call it. There's fa, ne? Fa, ha, ka. Always sort of, we are sort of pronouncing or spelling it with with using that a, ne? Fa, ka, la, ma, na, nga, pa, ne? All the consonants, also the consonants, all spelled with using the R. Maybe it's easier. So, first lesson or first testing pronouncing words. If you see this one, Tongan language, pronouncing words, Pu'aki lea. Pu'aki is the expression. So, Kevin, I've got really things to ask you. If you see this word in Tonga, how would you spell it? Remember, Kevin is a bilingual. He speaks two languages, at least, Spanish and English. Now I'm asking him, after doing all these lessons, if you stand up in front of Tongan people and they will understand, how would you pronounce this one?
Hoku.
Not bad. Hoku means mine or my thing, so hoku.
Hoku.
Very good. How would you, now that's pronouncing it, how would you spell it? You say to your wife, you are my love, ko koe hoku eku o ko toko taha eko oku hoku o whaanga. Hoku, my love. How would you spell it? Say, I've got this word. How would you spell this?
Ha. O. Kau.
Ka'u. Not too bad. Very good. Ha'oka'u. I would say, oh yeah, ha'oka'u. Oh, I know that. Hoku. Hoku is mine. Very good. So this is really good. You can only see the pronunciation with Kevin. There's you're still a little bit hesitant because it's only your lesson today.
Yes, first time.
I gave you everything. He hasn't seen the video yesterday or so. Okay, you feel so good. Okay. Please pronounce this word, and everyone in Tonga will say, ha ha. Funny word, not really used, but it's sort of like
Sekia.
very good, and I wonder if it's because you speak Spanish or so, a Latin language or so. Yeah, I wonder if other people might say something else. Sekia, very good. Yeah,
Sekia.
it's not really a real word. We would
have two pronounce this one and that one. Two stress on sekia.
Yeah.
So it's two syllables. That was the word I was wanting. Syllables.
Yeah, yeah,
so
very good. Listen to the teacher. Yeah, sekia. And the Tongans will pronounce it like that. It's not really a word. We can put it sekia. Someone who's really sort of funny, showing off, and sort of eager to show. It's just I was just using this only for our purpose.
Class,
yeah. If I would ask you for a word like this is a tricky one. Okay.